How to choose between front-end, back-end, and full-stack. First, understand the difference. Front-end equals what users see. Back-end equals how systems work behind the scenes. Full-stack equals both layers combined. Each path requires a different mindset. If you enjoy visual creativity, front-end developers focus on UI design, user experience, responsiveness, interactive components. You'll work with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, modern frameworks. Best for those who enjoy visible results. If you enjoy logic and systems, backend developers focus on APIs, databases, authentication, performance optimization. You'll work with server-side languages, data modeling, system architecture. Best for those who enjoy structured problem solving. If you want broad control, full stack developers build the interface, design the APIs, connect the database, deploy applications. It requires broader knowledge but less early specialization. Ask yourself these questions: do I enjoy design or logic more? Do I prefer user interaction or system architecture? Do I want depth or breadth initially? Self-awareness matters. Market reality in 2026: front-end is competitive. Back-end requires stronger system thinking. Full stack is valuable in startups and small teams. Enterprise roles may specialize more. Start with one, explore later. You don't need permanent decisions. Many developers start front-end and later move to back-end, or begin back-end and later learn UI. Careers evolve. AI is changing the landscape. AI can generate UI components. It can write back-end boilerplate. So what matters now? Understanding architecture, problem-solving ability, system integration skills. The strategic advice: if you are unsure, start with front-end for quicker feedback. Then learn back-end fundamentals. This builds confidence and depth. The final truth: there is no best path. There is only the path aligned with your strengths and interests. Choose based on curiosity, not trends.